So hey guys, good to see you once again. This is JP with Max TR3 Revival. I've got a few things that I want to talk about. So I've been trying to finish up the rear end, as we know. If you've seen my previous videos, you know some of the struggles I ran into. Being a first timer at this, I'm learning. So I've got a parts issue too that I've been trying to work on, but not getting a whole lot of help. A little bit of a rant coming. I'm also working on the pinion seal. From there, move forward, just really need to check the end float on the axle hubs and reassemble the rear end. This one is going to be a little bit of a rant. Got a gasket for the rear end and was ready to reinstall and put everything on here, but could not get it to line up. You can see that it's clearly off. I thought maybe that I had the wrong gasket. I rechecked the part number, looked in the systems, sent an email saying that I was having difficulty, and they basically told me I didn't have it oriented the right way. So the following pictures will show that I have flipped it, moved it, turned it around, done everything possible to try and get it to fit, did not fit. So the answer from the distributor was that they would refund me for the price of the gasket, which is not the whole issue. The issue is it doesn't fit. I politely sent back a message and said I would rather have a gasket that fit. If you notice here to my left, this is gasket making material. Next method is to try and put one together myself. Oh, I did contact as well another one of the distributors to ask them about the hole-to-hole configuration and the distance between, maybe difference in manufacturing process, different group, don't know, but confirmed that theirs was basically the same size. So it's supposed to fit stock TR3. Had somebody else send me an email saying that this is one for a TR4 IRS, not the 3. So I don't know, maybe if it's just a bad batch. Makes me think that the distributors would rather not deal with the issues. And that's sad because, you know, it's getting harder and harder to find decent parts. I know a lot of repo parts that I've read about are issues when it comes to quality of manufacturing. Save those parts that you got. Not too sure if you can see this, but I've got a little bit of a build-up there. So I'm gonna hit it with some 4-aught steel wool and just see if I can clean that up a bit. So I cleaned up pretty good. I've checked it with my fingernail. I really don't have anything that I can hook my fingernail on, so I think I'm good. I'm just gonna double check it with a dial caliper and make sure that it's within spec tolerances. So we've got 2 dial calipers. I'm checking the inside diameter of the new seal, and I'm at 1.49. And I'm at about 1.50. Well, 1.49. So I think that I'm good to go. Throw some paint on that and get ready to put it back in. So if you know me, you know I like paint. think it came out pretty good. New cotter pin and figure out a way to get 120 foot-pounds of torque on it.